Have you ever gotten a few window quotes and wondered why one was way more expensive than the others? Have you thought, are they just overcharging or am I missing something? By the end of this video, you're going to understand what actually makes one window company more expensive than another. So then you can decide if that difference is worth it for your home. And remember, if you want more details on this topic, check out the article linked below. Two companies can sell a window that looks the same size, same style, similar glass, but what happens before, during, and after installation is where the real differences show up. That's why price isn't about the quote, it's about what's behind it. Lower cost companies often use subcontracted crews paid by speed and volume, not quality. Installers rotate, jobs move fast, and precision takes a backseat. Higher priced companies usually use trained, dedicated crews, and they pay for experience, not speed. You're not just paying for hands, you're paying for who those hands belong to. Lower priced installs may skip sill pan flashing, reuse failing trim, apply minimal insulation, or avoid opening walls when issues show up. Higher end installs include full waterproofing, proper flashing and sealing, and repairing when needed. From outside, both windows can look fine. The difference is going to show up years later. Lower cost quotes often include manufacturer-only warranties with short labor coverage and lots of exclusions. Higher priced companies usually include labor warranties, installation guarantees, and clear responsibility. A stronger warranty costs more because someone is actually standing behind it. Lower cost operations may pass you between departments and leave you guessing on timelines. Higher end companies invest in dedicated project managers, clear communication, and daily oversight. That structure costs money, but it protects your home and your sanity. So is the more expensive company always better? No, but is there usually a reason the price is higher? Yes. You now know what to look for behind the quote so you can decide what level of investment makes sense for your home. So if you're in the San Antonio area and want to talk to one of our design consultants, schedule a commitment-free, no-pressure consultation. If you're not in the San Antonio area, leave a comment down below, ask about anything about windows, we'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for checking out this video. And remember, Southwest Exteriors is here to give you the look you love coming home to.